Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, as you can see, we definitely did have a big spike reversal right at the 50% Fibonacci extension levels. Now, today is CPI inflation data for the US dollar, which is for sure going to affect gold, so make sure, as always, you are using good risk management. But anyways, I still think this move down, even though it is a very bearish looking pattern, I actually still believe this is going to go up to at least a 61.8 to finish off this wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, like I said, it is a very strong move to the downside, but it really hasn't broken any lows yet. To me, it is definitely still an uptrend, and I personally think that it is going to go up quite a bit more to finish off this pattern. So taking it right down to the daily time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement measuring this last push up. We are sitting right at the 78.6 fib level. It does seem like a very likely area for this to end if it really is an ABC correction and probably end up continuing back up. So let's take a closer look at that on the 4 hour time frame. Now we do have to remember that we do have CPI inflation data today, but tomorrow we have FOMC federal funds rate. So what I actually think is more likely to happen is today's news is probably going to cause it to go down, and maybe tomorrow's news will be what actually causes it to continue the uptrend. But if it does go up and if it does make a break of structure today, then that definitely would turn me into a buyer, and I definitely would be looking for longs from that point forward. So, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I do think that, like I said, this is more likely to be a correction to this move down. I think today's news is more likely to cause this to go down. And then, like I said, maybe even beyond the 78. It could easily go down to the 88 or maybe even go down to make a double bottom on the higher time frames. But I think that it's more likely today is going to go down, and maybe tomorrow at the FOMC statement is when it's really going to end up continuing the uptrend. But like I said, if it does make a big impulsive move up and if it does take out structure, then I would definitely from that point forward be looking for longs at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.